What's going on, guys? Today we are saving some superheroes because we're opening up the Hot Wheels Marvel Avengers character cars. We have 8 different characters, 7 of them from the Avengers set, and one of them is Captain Marvel. So let's open them up and take a look at them out of the box. Our first car is based on a patriotic super soldier, World War II veteran, and founding member of the Avengers. It's Captain America. The second car in the Avengers set is for the American businessman and scientific genius Tony Stark, who dressed up in a powered suit of armor and became Iron Man. The next car in the set is for the God of Thunder, one of the most powerful Asgardians who fights with a hammer that wields lightning. It's Thor. The fourth car in the Avengers set is a new identity for Hawkeye. It's the Japanese lone warrior and samurai Ronin. Number 5 is the character James Rhodes, or Rhodey, who's a close friend of Tony Stark and flies around in his own powered armor suit as War Machine. Vehicle number 6 is a car for the spy Natasha Romanoff, who works with the S.H.I.E.L.D. agency and is also a superhero for the Avengers as Black Widow. Now our next car for the Marvel Avengers set is for the Mad Titan who clashes with the heroes, the supervillain with superhuman strength, Thanos. Our final Hot Wheels Marvel character car is not part of the Avengers set, but it's a first appearance model for the powerful character Captain Marvel. So guys, there we have 8 Hot Wheels Marvel Avengers character cars, and I think my favorite has to be Captain America. Of course, let me know your favorite superhero in the comments below, and if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Also, thank all of you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.